Hi, I'm Michael Nye, and I'm one of the board members with UCAN. This farm used to be what was considered Snow Hill Plantation, and from the plantation days, we have 3 remaining buildings that still stand. This plantation was built in 1763, so these buildings were used in the late 1700s and the early 1800s. One of the projects we have is restoring the mill house that we are in today. This mill house was used to mill the grain, and what our projects are for this building is to turn it into a multi-use purpose building. Here we are on the second half of the historic mill house building. This building was once used for storage and now will be currently transformed into a multi-use space. In this space, we will have a kitchen where we will hold kitchen demonstrations and cooking demonstrations with the produce grown on the farm. This area will also be used for classrooms and a meeting space, and an all-around space that we will invite future volunteers and guests to the farm. Here we are in the upstairs portion of the mill house. This area of the mill house was once used to store grain and hay, and today with our future plans will be turned into our youth center. Having this area will provide a center for not only lessons or gatherings of youth. Our main goal is to teach the science behind what's going on in our gardens. With our recent build of our youth garden, we hope to tie everything together and teach youth about organic and sustainable agriculture. Using our kitchen downstairs, we hope to teach students and youth how to cook the produce that is grown here on the farm, and also how to sell this produce at farmers markets to teach them about the economic value of gardening. Here upstairs and here below are just part of the ideas that we have planned as stewards of this land. This land was once a plantation, and as we reclaim the land and become proud stewards of this environmental area, we hope to be an impactful partner in the community of Durham.